All right, time now for the calls of the day. Something about a train that's magic, they say. So let's start with Union Pacific, upgraded to Outperform at Evercore. Firm says risk is already priced into the stock. Jim, you own it, so you obviously agree. What do you like about UNP?
Well, Brian, besides the fact that it's Christmas and the time that little boys get model trains, this is a real train with really good prospects looking forward. And it really comes down to what this economy is going to do over the next few years. Frankly, it's just going to build things in this economy. And you need things that get transported by trains, aggregates, steel, cement, iron ore. These are the things that get transported by Union Pacific. It's been knocked down a lot this year, but I see good prospects forward ahead. All right,
Disney and Netflix both named top picks in their groups at Wells Fargo. Josh, your take.
I think Disney's getting close to the area where I talked about possibly buying it. Netflix I own it lower. I'm sticking with it for a little while. I talked about the ad platform in the last block. I'll just mention they got a downgrade from an analyst who basically looked at the first 6 weeks of activity with the ad platform and said, not happening fast enough. We're cutting this to a neutral or whatever. That's almost childish from my perspective. Netflix executives have gone out of their way to talk about how slowly they were going to start the ad platform, and they didn't give any kind of guidance or really do anything to tell you that they expected the best quarter ever to be the first 6 weeks that they launched. So I like the weakness in that stock. If I didn't own it, I'd be buying it right now because this is not the type of investment that they've made to build this ad-supported platform to hope that the first 6 weeks are like a grand opening. That is really not the story here.
All right, Caterpillar and Deere both named top picks in their groups at Jefferies. Caterpillar and Deere, similar, Steph, but different as well. Your take.
Yeah, I own both. Deere is my largest industrial position, but Cat is a close second. And I think that it's the energy business in Cat that's not getting the respect. It's about 35% of total revenue. I see it going to 45% by 2025. They've got strong pricing power and very tight inventory. So I like that story. On Deere, this is all about precision farm technology and how they're implementing that into the company. And that gives them better visibility and better margin visibility to the end of the decade. And so I kind of like them both, and I'm going to stick with them. And on any weakness, I want to add to both of them.
Okay. Uber named a top pick at J.P. Morgan. Josh, hotly debated name. You own it. Give us the take on Uber.
There's really no debate right now, Brian. It's a dog with fleas. It's been terrible all year. It's sitting right on an all-time low. Frankly, I don't really understand it. I don't know why the stock price is where it is. I think it should be high 30s, low 40s minimum. I know a lot of Wall Street's targets are in the 40s. I think it just gets lumped in with this this group of stocks that were considered like stay-at-home stocks because of the delivery business or unprofitable tech. Like, it's in all of those garbage indexes, but it really doesn't belong there. This is a company that has gotten to profitability, will become more profitable as the quarters pass on. I actually think Dara should step up and buy some stock. I don't know what this guy's doing, but he's running a great business. The street is disrespecting him. I think he should step up and do something about it, quite frankly. At a market cap sub 50 billion, with massive revenue, with growth, with a huge international business, why is he sitting here every day and just ignoring the carnage that his shareholders are living through?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're right. Pull a Noto, right? Anthony Noto. He's been buying up SoFi, so as much as he can.
By the way, I don't even know if it would help. I don't know how much he could buy.
Anything,
I'm not going to pocket watch somebody, but like, how could you? Well, how could you watch this go on? Your business is actually growing. How many publicly traded companies this year can boast about revenue growth or getting further into free cash flow growth? Like, that's not the case for most of these falling tech stocks. This, I think, is a very unique situation where they just are not earning any respect at all.
Yeah.
And I don't know what turns it around, but I'm surprised how long it's gone on for.
Well, that's your point, right? Like, just even if it's a couple $100,000, which is nothing for the CEO, just buy the stock, show the employees, the investors that you're in it to win it as well, and you have confidence. Good point, Josh. All right, coming up.
Or let it go to 18. your choice, Dara.
Yeah,
Ball's in your court.
24 and 8 right now. All right.